Hello all. Let's move on to Unit 5, Product Release and Maintenance. We all know about the software development life cycle. So it starts with planning, analysis, design, implementation, and maintenance. So maintenance is the last phase. So it includes product release and its maintenance. Okay. The agenda of Unit 5 is product release management, maintenance, all about maintenance, like what are the types, cost, process, and even the software maintenance. It has a life cycle just like our software development life cycle. We have some maintenance techniques like re-engineering, reverse engineering, forward engineering. So we'll see about those techniques and about the software release. These are the topics which are covered in Unit 5. So we'll see about product release. So what is a release? So the definition of product release is the process of launching a new product for a specific market or user base. The product can be a newly designed product. It can be a new product, or it can be a future set of a particular product. So it is a set of features which is added to a existing product. So it is the time when you are launching your project. You have to be very careful. Don't be in a hurry in delivering the project. Revisit each and every phase and check whether you have done everything properly, so that it can be given to the customer side. Before giving for the product release, there can be two more releases which can precede this product release, that is alpha and beta releases. So what is release is, it can be considered as the last stage of testing. When the product is under testing, that is known as alpha release. So it will be subjected to black box and white box testing, whereas beta release is the it is the next step of alpha release. That is, it is given for some set of power users, so that they can use and they can give the feedback. Based on the feedback, the product can be further improved and it can be given to the final release. So this is about alpha and beta releases. So when can this happen? This can happen either daily or weekly, in case of some software products, and in some other cases it can be a quarterly one, or it can be an annual release. It depends on the product nature. And alpha and beta releases, they get a valuable feedback from the power users, so that they take time to make the improvements and they fix the bugs, and they can release the product to the general public. So incremental launches, this is known as incremental launches because uh, product release is done in a two-stage process. There are many reasons for releasing a product. I can mention a few reasons. So you can release a existing product onto a new platform, such as it can be an Android platform or some other different platforms. You can release a new idea into the market for the first time, and you can introduce new features to current customers. Suppose if you take WhatsApp, initially it was not having the call facility, right? So if you add a calling feature, then it will be a feature which is added to the current customers, right? That can be one of the reason. Or re-platforming can be done, that is re-releasing your current product using different technologies. You can use different technology, but the product can be same, so that you can get better performance. So that is re-platforming. Next is about uh, release planning. So even the release plan, the release management, it follows an entire different cycle. Like it starts with the release plan. Plan release. They'll plan a release. They'll build a release. They'll go for user acceptance testing. They'll prepare for the release. They'll deploy the release. So all these things has to be planned very well in advance. The release plan, it will include the timeliness, what are the delivery dates, requirements, the overall scope of the project. So it will be better if we have a release plan checklist.